Good day everyone, Best Ever Toy TV here. Welcome again to another Hot Wheels news. So check out some more great cars coming soon. And first up here, this is a new one, a Civic Type R coming soon from Hot Wheels. And this is just a gorgeous casting and a gorgeous recolor of the Civic Type R. This time in black with red accents right there. And really great car. And Hot Wheels has done a fantastic job with this casting and also with the details on this car, so check the one out. So next cars here, so these are the cars from the latest Japanese classic car show held in Long Beach, California. A lot of these cars are premium cars. Yeah, mostly here, some here are part of the Japan Historics 3, which will be insanely good. That is an insanely good set right there. So yeah, again, fantastic sets. And by the way, here's what the interior of the mainline Civic Type R looks like. So moving on again with the premium cars, so check that one out. We have the RX-7, which also has the Super Treasure Hunt. The white one, I think, is this a Datsun? Not quite sure. The to the left of that is a Skyline. And ooh, I think we have a Prelude here down below, and of course the yellow Honda Civic EG, which is insanely good. Skyline here in red. A lot of pickups. So you can see a Nissan pickup right there, the blue one, classic pick. That is a 1990s pickup. And we have here a Fair Lady in white and red. Again, the Skyline to the right. So this is cool here. This is, I think, a tuned manga inspired by Chorokyu, I believe. It looks the same as the Tomica Chorokyu. And some more cars here, fantastic. Again, all these cars look good. We have the Mazda Cosmo, Silvia there, classic Silvia. We have the orange Honda City Turbo. Ooh, the blue one, we have the again Subaru WRX STI, green Mazda Miata, which is insanely good. Premium right there, white Subaru. A lot of great cars, and check out these cars here. Part of the upcoming mystery models. This is the Ford GT, and a lot of it. It looks good. And for the next one here, I'm pretty happy that this is back. We have here an Acura NSX. Pretty dope with this casting. I haven't seen this casting in quite a while, so yeah, I'm pretty happy this is back. So good job, Hot Wheels, good job. And check out the RX-7 here. Of course, there is the mainline version and a Super Treasure Hunt, the Super right there. Check out the Super, really cool. On top is the Super, and here is my favorite of them all. We have here the yellow EG, Honda Civic EG, with the carbon fiber hood. So awesome casting. I think this will be part of the Historics 3, I believe. So check out that one. Rubber tires, love the rims. Yeah, so I know I make mistakes here, so kindly comment it down below so the other viewers will also be notified. And check this one out. This is a great car, Subaru right there. Wow, white Subaru. I'm really speechless about this car. Awesome car. So to the the blue car right there is the Honda Prelude. Wow, that is I don't know if Hot Wheels has released a Prelude from the past, but this one right there must have, including the of course the yellow Honda Civic EG. Now the white one, I'm not quite sure what this car is. Looks like a Honda. So if you don't know, comment it down below, please guys. Please comment down below my mistakes and the names of the car. So we have here a pickup. I don't know what pickup this is. We have a Silvia and a Mazda Cosmo right there. All great classic cars. I think the pickup is a Nissan, right? So speaking of Nissan, we have here the Skyline. Hot Wheels has this variation, but they have released but this is a premium release already, so check that one out. And I think the green one is, yeah, that is a Silvia. And this one here, the black one with the blue interior, I think this is a Silvia, right? Not really quite sure, but again, comment it down below. Please do guys. Let's make this an interactive video. And here's the Nissan pickup right there. That is an awesome pickup. Lowrider. And the next cars here again. Excuse me. We have right there the RX-7 and of course this tuned. Is this a track manga tuned one? Looks like a Choroku from Tomica. Maybe they got an inspiration with that casting. And here is the Toyota Supra, of course. Wow, this is insanely good. Loving the plain cars, not much deco right there, but it looks good. And here's a new set. It is out now. All supercars. And check out the list of the this set here. We have the Corvette Stingray, 2017 Ford GT, Bentley Continental Super Sports, McLaren P1, Porsche 934 Turbo RSR, and the Lamborghini Huracan LP Super Trofeo. Again, the Bentley Continental here has that logo on the card, which makes it the different one on this set. So I don't know what it means, but again, please do comment it down below. And another picture here, can't get enough of this Skyline. This is part of the Japan Historics 3 coming out soon. And yeah, awesome car, and a bunch of mainlines here coming out soon. So someone is selling it already here in the Philippines. So this is the mainline Morris Mini with the checkered flag on the roof. Love the green paint job of this car. Yeah, I love this shade of green. It has racing stripes on the hood. Pretty cool. Yeah, I must admit, a great looking Morris Mini here. And we have new sets right now, so check that one out. The picture is not that clear, but yeah, here's the cars of this set. So Nissan Skyline HC2000, Honda Civic Type R. We have 2010 Ford Shelby GT500, Camaro SS, 1968 Chevrolet El Camino. And again, this set is the Urban Camouflage. So the box here contains 36 cars, and that's a list. So that's all for our Hot Wheels news, and I hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did making the video. And please do comment down below the names of the car that I made a mistake with, and yeah, I'll be glad to hear from you guys. So bye bye guys, see you soon, peace out. please subscribe again to the channel if you haven't yet. So bye bye guys, see you soon, bye.